Hey there, Capricorn. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good in your love life. And this is the reading regarding your love situations for the last 9 days of October from 21st to 31st. And I have already shuffled cards and pulled them out because I have done reading before. So I will tell you what cards are came up for you. Um, First four cards are Eight of Pentacles, the Fool, the Moon, and the Tower card. And I have clarified Tower with three cards: Two of Swords, Page of Wands, and the Lovers. And your outcome cards are Nine of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and Six of Wands. So let's see. In underneath the first deck, you have Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, the Sun, and the Chariot. And I will take this Three of Swords also because maybe there is a third party situation. This person is third party in your relationship. You are if you are already in a relationship, you are having some kind of third party maybe, or you are ending this third party, or feeling very much excitement. Whether you are a earth sign, but maybe you are in a element of this Queen of Wands, maybe fire sign, or you are dealing with a fire sign. Maybe this is your partner. So if you are dealing with a fire sign, you are having some kind of travel with this person. You are traveling with this person giving you happiness, or maybe you have a news for this fire sign, which is this person a happiness. Or if you are dealing with third party situation, or you are going through some kind of heartbreaks, now you will have some kind of news which will give you the happiness, and you will moving forward successfully in your relationship with your person. So uh, Eight of Pentacles is saying that you are trying to working hard over your relationship. You are doing efforts to make this relationship work. Or maybe if you have financial issues in your life, or your love life is suffering from financial issues, so you will have some kind of news that you will but some confusion are there regarding this news, regarding your financial problem. But some unexpected news will come toward you, uh, which will give you uh, the happiness, and uh, which will uh, which will be the which will give you the excitement that you can have your love life uh, again with your person. So some unexpected and excited news will come toward you. If it's a financial issue, you will get a job unexpectedly. There was some kind of confusion though regarding this news, but something new will start unexpectedly, which is give you the excitement, and which will make your love life moving forward with excitement again, happiness and excitement again with your person. So uh, if the if your partner is sending you a message unexpectedly, if you were separated with your partner and there was a confusion to start a new beginning in this relationship, but then some unexpected messages will come toward you from your partner, uh, because your partner will make a decision. They'll send you a message for reunite with you, and this will be unexpected. So this will give you the abundance of and happiness. Or maybe if there was a financial issue, you will be abundant again in finances. You will be secure in finances, so that you can have this your person in your life again, or you will be relaxed, secure and relaxed. Or maybe you are getting the recognition, or maybe your or maybe your relationship will get a recognition. If it's a secret relationship, the moon card is here, maybe it's a secret relationship, then this relationship will get us some attentions from other peoples, and maybe something come out uh, in a open about relationship. So this unexpected things will give you some kind of regrets here also, but you are moving forward with your happiness, abundance, and financial security, and things are secure transforming in your life, and this regret and pain will vanish quickly. So if it's a financial issue, it will resolve unexpectedly. You will get a job, unexpected news from the company, so that you will go move forward in your love life with your partner again. And or if it's an unexpected news from your person that they want to become a single, so you will hold your emotions from that person, or you will have a regret over this. But things are transforming. It's a third party situation, then third person will go away, and they will become a single, and you will be secure and happy with your person whom you love. So Capricorn, that's what you're reading for the month of October, for last 10 days of October, from 21st to 31st. Hope it resonates you. If it's, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.